In this video, I'll show you how to save voice messages from Messenger to computer. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to go ahead and open your Facebook on your browser. So on your browser, go ahead and head over into the Messages tab that you'll find at the top right of your screen. And here, go ahead and open the full version of Messenger for browser, and then in here, go ahead and head over into the conversation where you want to save a message from. So press F12 on your keyboard to be able to inspect this tab. So once you press F12, this will pop on your screen. Click on the network tab, and then under this, click on media before you start playing the audio. So once you play this audio and then you click on media, you'll be able to find the audio file that you just played on your Messenger. So head over into the inspect section of your page and head over into the media tab or the media filter to be able to immediately catch the media file, since what we can see in there was all of the files that your device catches once you play the audio. So simply reload that and then press on the play button again, and once it plays, you'll find that here. So as you can see, I'll find it under the media section. Right click on this file and then open it into a new tab. Now once you open it into a new tab, you'll be able to find that audio that you just received on Messenger, which you can download now on your device. And that's basically how you can save voice messages from Messenger to computer. If this video helped you out, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.